Part 3, state a hypothesis. Based on how we define best, right? Remember, flies farthest, and what you know about your paper airplane, so you've done your research, write a hypothesis that states which type of paper airplane, will fly the greatest distance, okay, and why you think this is. And you're going to use a full sentence. So when you're doing, when you're writing a hypothesis, we always write if, ... Then we put independent variable. Then ... Okay. Dependent variable. So you're going to learn more down here about independent and dependent variables. So, but this is how you would set it up. If, well, I guess we could go through it here. So first you need to pick something that you're going to test, the length, whatever. We chose the style. Okay, this is also called the independent variable. So if this particular style of airplane, whatever style of airplane it is that you choose, is thrown, then it will fly farthest, or it will fly this distance or that distance. You can guess based on the information that you gather. Okay, so the independent variable is the style of airplane. The dependent variable is dependent upon the independent variable. It's also known as the responding variable. Okay, and so its response is from the independent variable. And so because the different styles will change, and their distances will change, they are dependent upon it. So we would write a full sentence. You will write your own, but if I throw the jet, making up a name there, during this experiment, then it will fly farthest. Okay, that's number 3.